It's about to begin. Team 4 South. Team Central Chagasan is leading by 1 goal. Central Chagasan Gambra Ekta Gobra Jidiginasi. Actually, Eliminary football final. Team Setaku, blue jersey. Team Central Chagasan, orange jersey. Sira Peter Basata. First half Katoni. Sisiranya ball to level. Uwesana. Begus Sata. (1737) Nursing of Bengali participant NL07CC 3297 Nursing 07에서 바로 Bengali participant 무슨 세스가 바로 비슬라스도 NL01P0678 Assam registration 01 kusa Turkey area no Western Chagasan sebenarnya versus no Hujuni Western Chagasan penasa tuta PDS Vasini tuta tunu volleyball kita sebesar kesesio Western Chagasan penasa tunu volleyball kita sebesar kesesio Kita tuju, kita ini semua itu salah pun mesti salah sih. Begitu ini cukup dari kisah. Kini pun tuta bahasa muzik tuta le, mali usually. Kita tahu tu berasa tu. The final Turkey area near Western Chagasan. Sebenarnya rezeki Turkey area gubernur Topuga basketball. Tuta Vasimin tuta Toyoli. Turkey area gubernur Topuga basketball. Yadda sebesar sesuatu. Oke tu cuma nasi. Topuga basketball. Turkey area multi area sebenarnya resident. Team coach, team manager, Turkey area, Malpeg area. Nazuo Samuliza, Tenaga basketball final nano. Nazi Mauzan of the Pianosa, basketball court, what are the Zubasa, Turkey area, Malpeg area, Zurima Tokasa, Tizia. Change of players from Team Sejudu. 58 all, 42 in.只有羡慕的时候，我们的repartition 的是不是这是有？
이 죽어야지. 전날 회고 먹어야지.
The first runners-up goes to Team Sajgu. A big congratulations to both team. Ugo Tita Vasimring Tita PDSM Tudo Referee Empires Miko. UPDS Referee Empires Miko. Mu GB Ukutamitino. Bagabago. Nugo Chito Kepito Bino. Tabo Uko Ketohi. Ugo Kesotano Zirugdi. So to Niche Chalasi away. Referee Empires Me. Ne Dipucho Padishino. 또 그토분은 내가 따보아서 우고 계속하는 You will also come with the security type of vehicle. Versus Israel, Zeno Zubodido. Due to traffic congestion, vehicle number NL083078, NL083078, WD260 3344, auto car, NL01CA.
West Bengal registration West Bengal registration 06C3394 Alto. West Bengal registration 06C3394. Vehicle owner, kindly report your car. NL01CA5597. Vehicle owner of NL01CA5597. Gari Malik. Amni Morondra Amni la gari do ekbar report kuri dibo bine janai dia ase. Untuk cumonosa closing ceremony hui sudah kita setelah sena tubugo football final results ko ni this area mu sejiku area Ninisri neti noza line up tidak dia sebab this area mu sejiku area tubugo football na mesti this year. For jersey number 4, Levico Doctor jersey number 3, as it's a for jersey number 14, Evita Kenya jersey number 66, Fred Lasso jersey number 17, Shogolo Dulo, jersey number 15. Secretary Kafur, jersey number 7. Ivilo Kafur, jersey number 8. Kozo Kafur, jersey number 11. Toto Rako, jersey number 10. On the substitute bench, Ketro Lova, jersey number 21. Jonah Dome, jersey number 12. Devilo Matisse, jersey number 13. R. Samin Tapi, jersey number 6. Rangalu Kecha, jersey number 19. Mavio Jolia, jersey number 29. Rebecca Akami, jersey number 9. Senicho Dulo, jersey number 18. Messi Ke Tara, jersey number 81.
And these are the player lists to represent this area sports association. Masagoto Suzo, which is number 1. Goto Tito, which is number 4. Ruti Tito, which is number 12. Nobuo Tozo, which is number 5. Murokono, which is number 13.
Tupugo football final. This is Sochiku area second resident. Resumago. Neto Titia Musa, Neto Netino Baba Musa, Kunu line up here over introduction of players. He'll tell you line up here as a Musa. NL01C0789. NL01C0789. Garunya player not to your symbols or Lobo in the real repartees the man. Closing ceremony, he barada kuduna, tihi utitobu, kelutu, he bagda setiano seo ko closing ceremony bagada. Asino, tisa area, Sochiku area, Shiro dege besatsa, half-bank control ceremony during this area. Half-bank control ceremony during such a good area. So for tomorrow football final match, championship match. 오늘 아까 뵙겠습니다. 오늘 match official sigida. Man referee Solosa. Assistant referee Medochile Cheto. Bogato Shohe. For umpire Teresa Osho. Aniwa Mitya. Mutahalaga football championship match. Mutahalaga football championship match. This area, our Sichuku area, Liga Kiyase. Buga half-band round, itu round this area. Kala half-band, itu round Sichuku area, Liga Mutahalaga football championship match, itu Kiyase. Your match officials Kiyase. Man referee Salazar. Assistant referee Medochile Cheto. Bogato Shohe. For umpire Teresa Osho. Tomorrow, we're going to see this area, football. Final match is National Teacher Jason Brown. Let the teacher Jason before. Wait the teacher Jason before. Memorial Desert Jason 5. Munakola Jason 30. Seto Hago Jason 7. Nukasame Jason 10. Vesagroveno Jason 8. Venezuela Rako Jason 18. Vepasati Jason 11. Also, Vero under 18 jersey number 9. And on the substitute bench, Akira Vero jersey number 2. Vizele Lehe jersey number 3. Kutozo Vero jersey number 0. Saneto Rako jersey number 6. Vesato Kozo jersey number 17. Also Vero jersey number 0. Yeto Vero under 18 jersey number 14. Numa Vero Veno jersey number 16. Joko Vero jersey number 15. Sichuku area Sigama service in the bar. Wesley Topi jersey number 20. Kikuta Tinkafa jersey number 4. Leviko Dutro jersey number 3. As it's Kafo jersey number 40. Erevita Kenya jersey number 66. Trukuzo Lasio jersey number 17. Shavele Dule jersey number 15. Sakato Kafo jersey number 7. Rigolo Kafo jersey number 8. Kozo Kafo jersey number 11. Toto Rako jersey number 10. Alan substitute bench. Toto Lehe jersey number 21. Jamal Dene jersey number 12. Dele Matisa jersey number 30. Alisanan Topi under 18 jersey number 6. Hangalo Chocha jersey number 6, 19. Muvio Julia jersey number 29. Rubeko Akami jersey number 9. Samutsa Dele jersey number 18. Nessa Wiketara jersey number 8. Team manager Nakala Lehe. Team coach Cesar Rako. Ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing the 38th League Pack District Sports Association Man Football Final, played between Sichuku Sports Association and Tizuya Sports Association. So far, the color of the match is 0-0. Never is a bigger about. Nejorana Kvetro, Nedola Kvetro Prisoner Urzunebru, Uru District Nemo Uru Mapingo, Mukazes again the Wajet Sozo, Tim Kananije.
DVDC. Captain of Tiziria to take the foul kick. Mr. Shoto to take the foul kick to the side of the Sechiku range. Romar Reza. Keeper number 2. There was a block by the defender of Tiziria. Nice pass. Oh. Mehmet Team ASA Troju Zivitabui Troju Zino Mungabio Jinamikoe Sechiku Buboko Kitizuto 팀에서 포기해서 가. 땡벌이고 땡벌이고. Once again for the latecomers, we are witnessing the 38th Pack District Sports Association Man Football played between Tiziria Sports Association and Sechiku Range Sports Association. So far, the tally of the match is 0-0. Go to the bar. बहुत गरम मैच चालू है बहुत गरम मर्दों का फुटबॉल मैच चालू हो रहा है 38 पाक डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्पोर्ट्स एसोसिएशन मीट का मर्दों का फुटबॉल फाइनल मैच चालू है अभी तिजिरिया स्पोर्ट्स एसोसिएशन और सेचिकु रेंज स्पोर्ट्स एसोसिएशन के बीच मुकाबला जारी है दोनों टीम बहुत एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छी टक्कर दे रहा है बढ़िया थ्रो बहुत अच्छे अच्छी पासिंग किया और ये और कीपर ने पकड़ लिया बहुत बढ़िया Zawusheba, Nora Murtsigami, Zawusheba, Tristan Murtsig, rapidly. Corner kick. The captain of Tiziria to take the corner kick.
Left front.
Good kick. Oh! Nice catch by the keeper of Sechiku. Nice run. Good defending by the Tizu. Good ball. Mr. Kosovo Hunders'le keeper got to there. Physical ball to the left. Passing the set, Mr. Osvaldo Avizo. Mr. Osvaldo is to the play. Mike Good. Pick back by the defender of the such a good range. Nice defending. 내고 슈퍼를 봐. 타이노데这是 내고 김민식 선수. 또 쪼미디나 내고 지히도데 무슨나. 내 줄래 그것도 내 도나 그것도 personal 무슨 레벨. 우 티토만 고고 디스트릭트 니코 무카스 도스기 팀 거미니저 초세요. Nunca sa bol butare, pasti bisa bocase. Nunca sa pulase, nunca bocase. Defender ko dhaphaga. Sinche ko bol butare. Pasti ko bocase, zubu. Oh, kuda mo kasse, velo bol. Tatsu zare. Good defending by the Tizu.